Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can effectively use Claude to brainstorm ideas. So this is a really useful technique to learn and to be familiar with because it can definitely boost your productivity in a specific field. So let's say for example I'm here in Claude and I'm going to ask it to give me 10 YouTube video ideas about productivity for freelancers. And I hit enter to send, and it's going to go off the top of its head and give us a few ideas to work on right here. So how to structure your day, how to manage 5 clients at once without burning out, Pomodoro, stop checking your email every 5 minutes, a freelancer's guide to async communication. Overall, really good ideas. So let's say you read through the response it's given you and now you want to ask it for something a bit more focused, a bit more specific. We can follow it up with our next prompt. So let's say I'm going to say, give me 10 more ideas, but focused on time management tools. Gonna hit enter to send, and it's going to give us a response appropriate based on our reply. So here we go, which project management tool is best, etc., time tracker, and it just gave us a response that is more focused towards what we asked it for. So keep in mind that you can treat this as a back and forth. You can almost treat Claude as a second person when you're having a multi-turn conversation or discussion like this, and it's really useful and natural. So the scope of the videos comparatively from when we first started is a lot more focused and narrow compared to what we started with. So this is pretty good so far. This is pretty much exactly what I was expecting to happen. So let's see how to build the perfect freelance dashboard and click up full setup tutorial. Let's see whether we can work with that a bit more. So this is pretty much along the last step of my brainstorming process with Claude here. So let's say turn idea number 3 into a structured plan. Here's the overview, there's the hook, along with some of the salient info of what we would want to be seeing in the video, what would we want to be doing in the video. Pretty good. Here's section 1, section 2, and section 3, section 4, section 5. So pretty good. That's pretty good so far. Production checklist. Let's see if we can ask it to export that as a Word document. Can you export the structured plan as a Word document? That way we have something more physical to work with than just a singular paragraph. So it's going to get the docx skill. It's going to run the command, and it's going to give us the output we want to see. I'm just going to give it a minute or two to finish the document. Here's our finished document. Going to give it a quick glance over. It's pretty much what was there in the prior paragraph, prior response, just organized into a neat Word document. So if I really needed this video, I could download it here and use it for whatever I might need it for. So the main takeaway here is that you can start broad and then narrow it down and drill into specific ideas or specific responses. And again, if you're really, once you really get used to doing this process, it's going to become almost a second nature, and it will help take your productivity to the next level. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.